Sixth graders, welcome to day 2. This should be a very quick assignment for you on the video, but then it's going to take a little extra practice to get things done. We are on page 18 today, starting on 3.6, and you're going to notice that your time signature has changed quite a bit here. You are now in 2/4 time, so that's 2 beats per measure. You're only working with quarter notes and half notes, no repeats. For 3.6, but you want to note that the time signature is much different. So I'm going to play this for you, and it is in forte, so pretty loud, and it's pretty step by step in the first 4 measures, and then it goes to skips near the end. I hope also that you're still practicing your warm-ups in Opus 2. The warm-ups are really important before you start practicing. All right, here I go. Take a look at those low notes. You have a low A and a low B if you're playing clarinet or trumpet or tenor saxophone. If you're playing trombone, you have the low G and the low A in second position. If you play that in third, it's going to sound really funky. The last 2 measures will sound wrong, like this. That's just playing the wrong note, the wrong type of note there. So listen to it one more time, the correct way. That's the same for everyone. Okay, for percussion, again, you are looking at flams and 8th notes, okay? The difference between flams, single bounce, and then multiple bounce in your exercise here. So let's take a listen to this. All right, and again, practice slow, you guys. You have a right flam and then a left flam. Flam, 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 tap, flam, tap, flam, flam, buzz, buzz, tap, tap, flam, 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 tap, flam, tap, flam, flam, buzz, buzz, tap. You can slow that down until you get the idea of it, and then speed it up as you go along. And that's 3.6. So be practicing that. 3.7. We have something that we just started talking about before we left school, and that is the pickup note. So remember where the pickup note comes from. It's coming from the last measure. We're stealing a beat of music from the last measure and we're bringing it to the front. And that's what we're doing in 3.7 with terrible 2s. So if we were counting this, we would start with count number 2. We'd say 2, 1, 2, 1, rest. 1, 2, 1, rest. All right, let me play this for you on the trumpet first. And again, just like on Monday's lesson, we have our first 2 notes, if you're playing brass, are on the same slide position or on the same fingering. You kind of surprise everyone with those last 2 notes being forte. I'll play this for you one more time. And there you go. For snare, pretty simple, you guys. Just be watching your quarter rests. Here we go. 1, 2, 1. Rest. 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 Flam. Flam. It's such a short exercise, it almost feels like it needs a repeat. You could add a repeat if you wanted to. So go ahead and practice from 3.2 all the way to 3.7. Hopefully by now you've already sent me a recording of 3.5 so I can listen to it. And we'll be meeting up to chat tomorrow. So if you want to play for me tomorrow or play for any of the kids, have your instrument with you. I'll be playing with you for you as well. So we'll meet up tomorrow. Until then, see ya.